Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So welcome back to another Meesho haul, and this time we have got some graphic tees from Meesho which are all under rupees 200 to 250, and I am really surprised by the quality, also the print and the design. They are really cool prints. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. And before we move on to the video, please subscribe to this channel and let me know what other videos you want to see. Starting with the shirt that I'm wearing, this arrived a little late than the other shirts. So this shirt is in the size small and it is for rupees 288. The material that I'm wearing right now is of really good quality. It's not very thin or it's not also very, thick. It's really good and I think it's really good for summers. It's soft as well. So I think you can really go for this one. But I would tell you to size a little bit up because to get that oversized fit. Moving on to the next shirt, I got this because I thought this is Lana Del Rey, and I think it is. I don't care what you say, it looks really cool and it is really good print. And this is the perfect fabric you can get for summers because it's really soft, and obviously for this quality from Meesho, and the fabric is also good. I did not expect it, but this one shirt is the best in terms of the quality and also about the print. This is in the size small and it is for rupees 245 only, and I think it is a steal deal. If you want one shirt just for the print and also for the fabric, go for this one. And I think this is good for a small, it gives a little oversized fit only. Next shirt which we have has such an amazing print. Oh my god, I'm such a fan of this print. It looks really good because red with a pop of red with denims looks really cool. And this is, I think, the most affordable shirt from this haul. This is just for rupees 199. This is in the size small and it fits really well. Good for like an oversized, gives a little bit of oversized fit only. And also the fabric is same as that of the white one. Both these white shirts are really good in fabric, so I think you should really go for this one as well. Next shirt has the best print ever. I mean, look at this graphic, doll print. It says sweet cool girl and it is in the color pink. This is also in the size small and looks really good. I think pink tees look really good. This is kind of like an oversized print only, and the fabric is really nice as well. This is for rupees 260, and I think for the print and the material you're getting, it's really good. So you can definitely go for this one. It's perfect for next shirt has the similar kind of print and the vibe is also like really same, but it is in this blue color. But I love this so much. I think these kind of graphic tees are sold on Instagram stores for such a high price, but I think Meesho is literally serving. But you really have to search, and I have done the search for you. This is for rupees 272. I think this is one of the most expensive shirts from this haul, and this is in the size small. The fabric again is similar to that pink one. This is very soothing fabric, and I just love this one a lot because you just have to throw denim and it's just gonna look cool. I think next shirt which I have has the coolest print ever for a graphic tee, because look at this thing. This has a car on it, and I think, I don't know what this print is called, but it is kind of like a digital print because when you touch it, it's not embroidered onto the shirt or it will not go after washes, but you feel like it's really soft. And the material again of the shirt, it's very lightweight, it's very breezy. I'm sorry guys, my mic got turned off. So all I was saying is I love the pop of red in color, so I had to get a red tee. And you can just throw this tee with denim and it looks so good just because it's red. It is in the size medium and it is just for rupees 250. The tee itself is really nice. The medium size gives a really nice fit, and I think you can definitely go for this one. All the links will be mentioned in the description, so don't forget to check that out. And I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.